One day I cooked more mackerel than I could eat. I do not want to waste it, so I had to figure out how to keep it fresh. After some research, I find the best way to store it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? First, I left the fish to cool down. Then I put it in a container and store it in the fridge for a few days. If I wanted to keep it for longer, I would put it in a freezer bag, squeeze out the air and freeze it. Later, when I warmed up the fish, it still tasted just as good as when I first cooked it. Now, I am happy to cook bigger portions. Because I know I can save the extra and enjoy it later. This was really amazing. I was so afraid because I bought a lot of fish. So I was so afraid of cooking everything. Then at the tail end, some parts will get spoiled and all those stuff. But, after doing it this way, it was an amazing job that I did. All right, guys, I just wanted to leave this short voice note on this video. Watch the rest video. Please help us to like, leave your opinion, and share the videos for us. Follow us or subscribe to our channel for more videos. Turn on the notification bell, guys, in case anytime that we drop a new video, you will be the first person to see it. Oh my God, I love you. Mwah.